Following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States government, and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. At approximately 9:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, multiple space observatories reported a catastrophic structural failure of the Moon. Seismic sensors and orbital imaging confirm that the Moon has fractured into two distinct halves. The cause of this event is currently unknown. Both halves of the lunar body are maintaining unstable orbits around the Earth. NASA projects that large fragments are breaking off and may enter Earth's atmosphere within the next several hours to days. Impact locations cannot be precisely predicted at this time. However, all residents of the United States, Canada, Mexico, and surrounding territories are urged to prepare for potential meteor impacts. These impacts may range from minor debris to catastrophic regional damage. Please remain calm and follow instructions from local authorities. Gather emergency supplies, including food, water, medical kits, flashlights, and battery-powered radios. Stay indoors when possible. If instructed to evacuate, do so immediately. Keep roads clear for emergency and military vehicles.